The look that I'm going to do for you today is red rhinestone eye makeup look. Now I'm starting with creating a base for my eye makeup with a concealer, and it's time to blend. I'm going to apply a very natural baby pink eyeshadow as a base color. Once I'm done, I'm starting to apply red eyeshadow and blend it till I get a perfect eye makeup shade. Now I'm going to apply stones one by one in the shade red and white. And I'm going to keep applying these stones till I get a perfect eye look. With that, I'm finished with my eye makeup. I'm going to start with creating a base for my face. So I'm going to now cover the dark areas of my face with red orange concealer so I can get an even toned shade as I apply my foundation. I'm applying my foundation and blending it to even it out. Once I'm done that, I will now do my lower lash line eye makeup and give a reverse cat eye effect by extending the outer edges. And with that, it's time to give my zombie face a little blush and highlight for it to look more natural. For blush, I'm applying my favorite pink lip color and my favorite highlighter. With the makeup coming to an end, I am going to add a very neutral pink lip color so that I can balance out the complete makeup look and make my eyes stand out. Now that I am done applying the lip color, I'll add the false eyelashes and complete the red rhinestone look. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Femina.